Have you ever wondered who keeps the gears turning safely in your workplace? Let's dive into a day in the life of a safety officer. Hello and welcome to my Safety Hub, your go-to source for all things health and safety. Today we're taking a closer look at the unsung heroes of the workplace, namely our health and safety officers. These professionals play a pivotal role in ensuring that everyone goes home safe at the end of the day. But what does a typical day look like for them? We're about to find out. But before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to click that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel a lot. Health and safety officers are vital to any workplace that prioritizes health and safety. Their main job is to prevent workplace accidents, injuries, and to ensure compliance with all health and safety regulations. It's a role that demands a keen eye for detail and a steadfast commitment to safety standards. The responsibilities of a safety officer can vary depending on the industry they're in, but some core duties remain consistent across all fields. These include conducting risk assessments to identify potential hazards, developing and implementing workplace safety plans, and ensuring that all employees are trained on the latest health and safety practices. Additionally, safety officers are often involved in investigating accidents to determine their causes. This information is crucial as it helps prevent future accidents and incidents. They also play a key role in maintaining compliance with local and international safety laws, making sure that the workplace meets all legal safety standards. Each task they perform is integral to creating a safe work environment, which not only protects employees, but also boosts overall productivity and morale. Let's walk through a typical day of a safety officer, from the moment they step into the workplace until they clock out. Our day begins with a morning routine. Safety officers often start by reviewing the day's tasks and checking any updates on safety protocols. They might also respond to any overnight incidents reported or feedback from employees regarding safety concerns. Next up, routine inspections. This is where safety officers really shine. They walk through the workplace inspecting machinery, equipment, and workspaces to ensure everything meets safety standards. They're looking for potential hazards that could cause accidents, making notes and plans to address any issues they find. Midday is often filled with training sessions and safety meetings. Safety officers lead these to educate staff on new procedures or refresh their knowledge on existing protocols. They also attend management meetings to advocate for safety needs and resources. In the event of an emergency, safety officers are on the front lines. They manage the situation, whether it's a medical emergency, a fire, or a chemical spill, ensuring that proper protocols are followed to minimize harm and secure the area. Lastly, we have documentation and reporting. Wrapping up the day involves a lot of documentation and reporting. Safety officers record the day's incidents, track the outcomes of inspections, and update safety records. This documentation is crucial for legal compliance and for tracking the effectiveness of safety measures over time. Through these activities, safety officers ensure that every day is a step forward in workplace safety, continuously striving to make the environment safer for everyone. Before we continue, this video is proudly sponsored by Safety Wallet, your partner in workplace safety. Safety Wallet offers comprehensive tools and resources to help you manage health and safety compliance effectively, no matter the size of your business. With Safety Wallet, you can choose from a range of subscription plans tailored to fit your business needs. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Safety Wallet has a plan for you. Their user-friendly platform and expert support make it simple to stay on top of your health and safety responsibilities. And the best part is definitely Wally, your dedicated AI assistant specializing in health and safety. Wally is available 24/7 to answer your questions, provide valuable information, and ensure a safe and productive workplace environment. Visit their website at www.safetywallet.co.za or click in the link in the description to learn more about their subscription plans and start using Wally today. Thank you again to Safety Wallet for sponsoring this video and supporting our mission to promote health and safety. Being a health and safety officer is no small task. It comes with its own set of challenges and rewards that shape the career. One of the biggest challenges safety officers face is keeping up with ever-changing safety regulations. Staying informed and ensuring compliance can be a daunting task, especially in industries where regulations frequently update. Another challenge is dealing with resistance from employees. Not everyone may understand the importance of strict safety measures, and some may view these protocols as hindrances towards their work. It's up to the health and safety officer to communicate effectively, ensuring all team members are on board and fully aware of the stakes that they're exposed to. Despite these challenges, the role of a health and safety officer is highly rewarding. There's a profound sense of accomplishment that comes from knowing that your work directly contributes to preventing injuries and potentially saving lives. Additionally, safety officers often witness tangible improvements in safety culture over time, which can significantly enhance overall workplace morale and productivity. These rewards make the day-to-day hurdles worthwhile, reinforcing the critical importance of safety officers in any workplace. As we've seen today, the role of a health and safety officer is both challenging and rewarding. They are the guardians of workplace safety, dedicating their days to ensuring that everyone can perform their jobs without fear of injury. Their meticulous work in assessing risks, conducting training, and managing emergencies is essential to maintaining a safe and productive work environment. If you appreciated this insight into the daily life of a health and safety officer, please give the video a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues. Safety is a team effort, and the more we understand about each role, the better we can work together to keep our workplaces safe. Remember to subscribe to my Safety Hub for more videos like this. Your engagement helps us in bringing valuable safety information to everyone. And as always, stay safe, stay inspired, and until next time, take care.